Hello everyone, this is Deepika and today we are going to cover a very important question which people usually ask. And the question is, do I still need to create a course when there is already a lot of competition on that topic? The answer to your question is yes. You should still go ahead and create your course. The reason is there is a wide variety of people or the audience out there. And not everybody likes everybody's style of teaching. Some people like my style of teaching, but some people do not like my style of teaching. They will prefer some other instructor's style of teaching. So there is always an audience for you. Just like not everybody likes Tom Brady, right? There is an audience who doesn't like him. There is an audience who likes him, right? So always keep in mind this world is huge and there is going to be a section of people who is going to like your style of teaching, who is going to like your content. Important points to keep in mind is whenever you are creating your course, try to create a course which is unique, something that has not been taught in other courses. So the best place before you start creating your course is to check out the reviews of other instructors' courses, okay? And see what the course is missing out on, what people are complaining about, what the course doesn't have, and try to include those special things in your course. Because if you are going to teach the exact same thing what other people are already teaching, why people are going to buy your course? You need to have a unique selling point for your course. Your course has to be engaging, entertaining, has to be full of exercises, has to cover topics, especially the pain points which people are not able to find in other courses out there. So yes, you should still create courses if there are already a lot of courses on that particular topic. The second important thing is try to create a USP for that course. Try to go ahead and create a course which is distinct from the other courses. Try to make it better. Try to see what other courses doesn't have on that topic and include those stuff in your course so that way you can sell them. And if student already has bought the other course, he won't mind buying your course also because you are giving them something different. So, and you will see that even yourself, you don't buy just one course on a particular topic. You might end up buying multiple courses on a particular topic. So it's always worth it giving it a shot and creating course, even if there are already a lot of competition. And I'll give you an example. Just like this course, creating courses on Udemy and making money, there are tons of courses on this particular topic. But I have kept the content unique. I've kept the content more engaging and I'm going to make it distinct from other courses out there. And this course is also going to sell. So I hope that answers and takes the fear away, and you should focus more on creating the content rather than what is going to be the outcome of your course. Because the results of your action is not in your control. The actions are in your control. So with that, I'll wrap it up and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.